What is? I want to eat now food.
Yes.
Yes.
You still want to eat?
You still want to eat?
We are still hungry.
You are still hungry.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I will give you food. You know what will happen now? Go to Mama Nkechi's shop. Tell her that your mommy said that you should call Omuruwa Erinmi.
Omuruwa Erinmi.
Repeat it.
Omuruwa Erinmi.
Did you get what I said?
Yes.
I said, tell Mama Nkechi that your mommy said you should call Omuruwa
Erinmi.
Now, if you go to Mama Nkechi's shop, if you don't see Omuruwa Erinmi, you don't come back. Go to Mangozi. If you don't see it in Mangozi house, you can go to Auntie Obi house and call her. Do you hear what I said?
Yes. After we call her, we go to.
Yes, now if you come back, I give you food. Make sure you call her.
Okay.
What I said is my name.
Omuruwa Erinmi.
So be shouting it and be going so that you don't forget.
Omuruwa Erinmi. Omuruwa Erinmi. Omuruwa Erinmi.
Now go.
Omuruwa Erinmi. Omuruwa Erinmi. Omuruwa Erinmi.
Some way you today, I go on a canal. I trust Mama Nkechi. If people get her shop and say, "I'm going," she'll send you to another place. When I go Wakataya, give me 6 boys.
Mommy. Mommy.
Are you cool, ba?
Yes.
Why?
Mommy, where's Mama? Where's Mama and God? You say she's not there. She even tell us to go to your auntie Obi. Tell us to even go to March about it. No, never. She's not there.
Hey, Mama, I'm wearing your today.
Hey. Nobody see her.
People must have get exhausted.
Mommy, please, sit down.
Oh, now I remember. When you people went, I'm wearing you came here. She's the one that finished it.
Why do you not tell us to go at the same place?
You people went to look for her and she came. It's like you people went from this side and she came from this side. You know, I don't have phone. People don't have phone so that I could have gave back to you. That is why you were walking up and down. Yeah, keep it in the kitchen. I'm wearing it. It's wearing it that finished the food. People went to call her and she came from this side. Child, see as my son is working.
Me and my boys.
Look at this one.
My boys.
I'm wearing me too.
Sometimes we stay in harmony, but most times in commotion.
Guys, this going to get look for Omuruwa Erinmi. Meaning,
Fun
person wey born
time
pikin
is
wey
fun
dey.
fair.
That is the person they went to go and look for.